Good morning, back on this job now after several days away just on another project. So as you can see, got that last bit of paving to finish off, then we get it pointed in, get these retainers in down here, and then that bit of soil dumped over the edge like I said at the end of last week, and then that'll be me until the customer has the other works done, and I'll come back and show you how it's all finished off at a later date. Okay, so a little update. So far I've run out of sand and cement again, bar a little bit in the bucket which I'm going to use, get these retainers in place and then whip off, get some more sand and cement, that'll be the last load, and then once that's all set, maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after morning, get that pointed, and then all the little finishing up bit and tidy up the site, and then I'll be out of here for a bit. Okay, end of the day, got the retainers in, they're going to set overnight, so trees going to be planted there, all that gravel can come down to there, and they're going to retain that nicely. And then last bit of paving tomorrow. I ran out of room where to tread, so got that one there, probably another 3 rows maybe, reducing down each time, and then get that pointed the day after, and then job's done. Good morning, it's day 20. I get this last bit of paving done today, so tomorrow I can point it. And then I've got this soil pile there that we're gonna put behind this old wall I built. And that will be obviously tidy up site, and then that'll be me. So I'll be out of here tomorrow, get done what I can today in terms of tidying up. So I've just got the points in left for tomorrow, and that'll be lovely. Okay, so paving is all done now, that'll be pointed tomorrow. So I've gone as far as the customer would like me to. They're going to plant a bush or something in that corner there once it's all stoned in around the outside. So yeah, happy with that. Obviously the other trees will be planted there and stoned around as well. The retainers are in, ready to hold all that stone in place. So now I'm just going to get all that soil, going to get the good stuff and put that against the wall at the front here, so it creates, obviously cover the foundation up, and we've got a bit of a bed there, and then like the more rubbish soil, shall we say, I'll be losing behind there. Have a bit of a tidy up today, a bit of a head start for tomorrow, and yeah, almost there. Okay, so just pointed in these steps with the mortar, and then the rest of it tomorrow will be done with the like a dark grey paving compound. I just wanted to get these bits done, all these edges against the brickwork with mortar, so they can set overnight. And now I will start getting this soil in this flower bed area and behind the wall. Okay, so got some of this soil in here, save the good stuff for the back of the flower bed. It's starting to fill in back of here. It's all pretty much done up to this section. I'll get the rest in there tomorrow after I've pointed. Get some stone chippings up the front of that step into that first bit of retainer there. There'll be a completely different stone. So once that tree's planted and the gingerbread house is mounted up top, and that stone will go all the way around the edges. But that's me for today. I'll be back again in the morning. Good morning, final morning. Let's get this pointing done, get some of the soil shoveled around and get some stones rearranged down below there, and that'll be me out of here until the customer has finished the rest of the work they want to get done here, and then I'll come back for a revisit for you and show you what the final product looks like. So when I'm pointing, I like to use this Sika, I've never heard the word said, so I don't actually know how you pronounce it, to be honest. Fast fix. I've gone for a deep grey on this job. You get quite a few different colour finishes, which is good. Nice and easy to apply, gives a good finish, fully hardens in 5 days. You can even point it when it is raining, like a light rain, obviously, nothing torrential to wash it away. It's environmentally friendly, so you just need to get yourself a nice little pointing set, a couple of different sizes there. Brush it in, point it in, and job's a good one. My last thing now is just to got some more of this chipping in an area around the back of the garden. I'm just going to fill this in up to the step height, do that. I'll show you that once I've done, and that will be me until I do the return visit. Okay, so that is me done on this project. It's been fun, it's been a lot of different things which I like. Kept me busy, nice water feature, brick wall, paving, planting, all the good things. And I'm going to say it one more time. Tree will be planted here. We have some stones placed around that. Once the gingerbread house with a chimney structure for barbecue is put on here by the customer, there will be some planting around here by the customer, more stone to go around the sides, and I will come back then and give you a little video tour of when it's all completed fully. But for now, this is me done here. Customer's very happy, and yeah, me too. On to the next job. Bye.